my app creation will give the area and the perimeter of your square. So let's begin the show. For example, let's have a square of side 5 centimeter. The area and the perimeter formula are cumbersome to remember. So why not ask our computer to let us know? Surprise! We got the area and the perimeter of the given square faster than the calculator, isn't it? Now, why don't we go in detail about how to do it? So first I'm going to click on this Create and App Lab. So for creating the app, the 4 basic steps are define the purpose, design the app, code the app, and run the app. So first step is define the purpose. So let's define the purpose of this app. So the purpose is when I enter the side of square, when I click on calculate, the area and the perimeter will be calculated. So the next step is design the app. So let's design the app. So first I'm going to go to this design option, and in the design toolbox I'm going to take this label and place it here. So the font size will be 20. And the text will be enter the length of the side of the square, and remember to only enter numbers here. So I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to take a text input in the design toolbox and place it here. So the font size will be 20. And the ID will be side. So the text I'm going to leave it blank so that we can enter our side here. So now I'm going to take this label and place it here. So the font size will be 20. And the text will be area. So I'm going to make 4 duplicates of this. The first duplicate I'm going to place it here. And the second one here. And the third here. So now the font size, the text will be perimeter. I'm going to place it here. So now for the this label, the text I'm going to leave it blank so that the calculated area will be placed here. And I'm going to enlarge this. And place it here. So now for this label also I'm going to leave the text blank so that the calculated perimeter will be placed here. And now I'm going to enlarge this. So the ID will be perimeter. So for this label also I am going to put an ID which is area. So now in the design toolbox there's another option called button. So I'm going to take this button and place it here. So the font size will be 20. And the text will be calculated. So I'm going to enlarge this. So now I'm going to talk about the theme, which is background. So the theme will be under the sea. So now I'm going to take this side label and place it here. And I'm going to this one enlarge this. So now I'm going to go to the third step, which is code tab. So I'm going to click on this code. And now in the toolbox you can see some blocks. Now I'm going to take this uneven block and place it here. So now in the ID, beside that there's a triangle. I'm going to click on the triangle and enter button 1. And now I'm going to go to take the block called set text and place it here. The ID will be area. And now I'm going to go to this math option and take the multiply operator and place it in the text place. And now I'm going to go to UI controls again and take the block called get number and place it in the first blank. The ID will be side. I'm going to take another get number block and place it in the second blank, and the ID will be again side because the area of the square will be side into side. And now I'm going to take another set text block and place it here, and the ID will be perimeter. And now I'm going to go to again math and take the multiply operator and place it in the text place. And again I'm going to go to UI controls and take the block called get number and place it in the first blank. The ID will be side, and in the next blank I'm going to enter 4 because the perimeter of a square will be side into 4. So now the coding, which is the third step, is finished. Now let's run the app and see if our app is working. So I'm going to run the app, and now I'm going to enter here 5 and click on calculate. So as you can see, when I entered the 5, which is the side of a square, the area and the perimeter is 25 and 20. So thank you for watching this video.